Sean Diddy Combs' upcoming trial is set to make waves, not just for the disgraced rapper himself, but for a number of celebrities who could find themselves implicated in the process. The 55-year-old music mogul, who is facing serious charges, including sexual abuse, coercion, prostitution arrangements, and racketeering, will face his opening statements in federal court on Monday. Legal experts, including former federal prosecutor Naema Rahmani, have shared their opinions on how the trial might unfold and how it could impact others in the celebrity world. Rahmani, speaking to the U.S. Sun, suggested that this trial could expose far more than just Combs' alleged actions. He believes it could potentially name other celebrities, individuals who may have been part of the so-called freak-offs Combs allegedly hosted. Rahmani noted that while these names may not lead to criminal charges, their reputations could be severely tarnished, saying, "The last thing any celebrity wants right now is to be associated with Sean Diddy Combs." The trial is expected to delve deep into the alleged freak-offs, which were parties reportedly organized by Combs, and may include videos as potential evidence. According to Rahmani, these videos, if they exist, could prove to be the most damaging part of the case. The contents of such footage, coupled with the high-profile individuals who may have attended these events, would undoubtedly cause a media frenzy and irreversible damage to the reputations of those involved. But the threat to celebrities does not stop there. Rahmani also warned that members of Combs' inner circle could face scrutiny. There are also individuals in Diddy's entourage who may have helped set up the freak-offs, Rahmani stated. These individuals, who allegedly purchased baby oil and facilitated the logistics of these events, might also find themselves in legal trouble. If evidence shows their involvement, they could face charges themselves, potentially further entangling the famous rapper and his associates. This trial is not just a legal battle for Sean Diddy Combs but a moment of reckoning for the wider celebrity world. The case is expected to go beyond Combs' individual actions, as the legal proceedings could see other high-profile names being dragged into the public spotlight, their past activities questioned, and their careers potentially damaged. The celebrity community will be watching closely, hoping to avoid the scrutiny that comes with a case of this magnitude. The arrest and subsequent charges against Combs in September last year shocked the entertainment industry. Many had viewed him as a prominent and successful figure in music and business, a person whose reputation had seemed untouchable. However, the accusations against him paint a much darker picture, one that includes coercion and manipulation of vulnerable individuals. Now, the long-awaited trial will seek to determine whether these accusations hold merit and whether Combs should be held accountable for his actions. As the trial unfolds, it will undoubtedly have ripple effects far beyond the legal proceedings. Celebrities who may have attended the infamous parties or had any involvement with Combs' operations will be holding their breath, hoping they won't become collateral damage in a case that threatens to expose the murky underworld of celebrity culture. The trial will also be a test of the justice system, with many waiting to see whether Combs will be held accountable for the alleged harm caused by his actions. If convicted, it would send a strong message that no one is above the law regardless of their status or wealth. But if acquitted, it could reinforce the notion that celebrities with enough resources can avoid consequences for their actions, no matter how damaging they may be to others. For now, the spotlight is on Sean Diddy Combs, but as the trial progresses, it may shine on others who once thought their secrets were safe. The legal battle ahead could change the lives of many, offering a stark reminder of the dangers of being too deeply entwined with controversial figures in the entertainment industry. The coming weeks will be crucial in determining not only Combs' future but the futures of those whose names may be linked to his in the coming months.